Hey guys, I'm Milia.
And I'm Karina. Welcome to Family Movie Trivia Night, brought to you by Colon Community Services Department. Thank you for joining us last week as we watched Trolls World Tour. Tonight we're going to show you how to create the craft you received at the Movies in the Park.
Alright, now let's get started. So in your bag, you should have a white outline, a piece of cardboard, some foil ties, beads, buttons, glitter, paintbrushes, some paint, and glue. The only thing you'll have to provide is scissors. Alright, now let's get started. We're going to start with our white outline paper and we're going to cut it out. After you cut it out, it should look like this. We're going to place it onto our cardboard. We're going to outline that and then cut that out. So you should have something that looks like this, and then we'll get started with painting it.
I'm going to paint mine blue.
And I'm going to paint mine red.
Blue is my favorite color.
Alright, you guys, and with your paintbrush, put something under it so that you don't get anything messed up, and we're going to get started.
Did you watch the movie?
I did watch the movie. I haven't watched the first one, but I did watch the second one.
What's your favorite part?
I think my favorite part was definitely the ending when they're all making their own music. That part was just so heartfelt and beautiful, and you know when we started seeing all their heartbeats.
Oh yeah, that is really cute.
That was so adorable. What was your favorite part?
The beginning. I like that movie. That song. I'm sorry. Trolls just want to have fun.
Really?
I think it's so cute.
I think it's really, really cool that like kids who have never heard like these songs before will hear them through like cartoons and movies now. Do you know what I mean? Because these songs are way out of their time. So
I agree. I was dancing and my kids are just looking at me like I'm all silly, but I get it. So who's your favorite character?
Definitely my favorite character is a yodeler, the one that helps Queen Poppy throughout the movie. He's my favorite, and he is so funny, and I love his accent. What's your favorite character?
Poppy. I like Poppy. I'm so positive, and I see myself in her. It's crazy.
Right.
Okay, so I painted mine blue, and I added the little black spot. Now I'm gonna add some glitter.
All right. And what kind of glitter are you gonna use?
I keep it blue. Blue crew.
So I just finished painting mine, and you have some black paint in your bag. We're gonna use that black paint to make a circle in the middle of our guitar base. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Let it dry a little bit.
All right.
Okay, so in the movie, there's several tribes. What's your favorite tribe?
I think the reggaeton tribe. That one's my favorite. That one, I love reggaeton music, so like that one was definitely my favorite. Which one's yours?
Classical.
The classical one?
Yes, I like classical music.
No, and their little like town was beautiful.
It was. It was so sad at how it was destroyed. So do you play an instrument?
I do. I play piano. So I've been playing piano I picked it up a few years ago, so I've been practicing piano. What about you? Do you play an instrument?
No, but I wish my aunt would teach me how to play piano.
What instrument would you want to play?
Piano.
Piano?
Yes. My aunt plays piano and I've been dying for her to teach me.
Alright, so now I'm going to get my glitter. I'm going to be using red glitter, and I'm just going to decorate the bottom of the base of my guitar. You can put the glitter wherever you would like. It does not matter.
And I'm going to put some glue and start doing my buttons and adding my beads to the top. Do you like to sing or dance?
I actually like to dance. I actually take Zumba like every day as like a workout, but also I think it's super fun because you're just like learning all types of dance moves. And it's like the best workout ever, but it's also super, super fun.
That's awesome.
What about you? Do you like to dance?
I do. I'm one of those people who I don't need a partner. I just get up there and just dance.
What about singing?
I love to sing. I think I sing like the singers even better sometimes.
Even better.
I'm not gonna lie. In my head, I sing perfect. My family might say something different, but don't believe them.
So what's your go-to karaoke song then?
I Will Survive. My mom has a singing that's ever since we were little. We just get on the dance floor, me, my mom, and my sisters, and just sing.
I love that. Alright, so I'm going to get some glue and I'm going to start by putting my beads at the end of my guitar. It's going to go right here. And you guys should have some glue in your bag and we'll just spread that sporadically at the very end. I think my go-to karaoke song is Katy Perry's Last Friday Night. That one, every time, that will be my go-to song. And it's just super fun and upbeat.
So what did you learn from this movie?
I think there are a lot of lessons throughout that movie that are like really good lessons to teach kids. I think one of my favorite lessons is like how important the pinky promise is.
Oh, that is cute.
Yeah, like how important it is and like how it, like everyone in the world could feel it, and it just really like showed like symbolically how important it is to keep your promise.
You know, I changed my answer earlier. I think that was my favorite part.
Is your
When
favorite
they're
part?
like, a pinky promise and then the wind blows and
Yeah.
it's like, a pinky promise.
Yeah, exactly.
I was like, wow.
I know, that's so adorable.
Made me
It's
like
such
go
a
back
cute
to junior
lesson.
high. Like, did I ever break a
Break
pinky
one?
promise? Because you know they say you're supposed to cut your finger off if you break a pinky
Oh
promise.
goodness.
I have my pinky, so I guess I didn't. Okay, now I'm going to add. No, I guess I'm going to cut this because I didn't make it that big. Oh, it just looks better.
No. Alright, you guys. So I added glue onto the end and I added my beads. I'm going to work my way down and you should have buttons in your bag. What we're going to do is we're going to glue our buttons right here. I have 4 of them. I'm going to use all 4 of them.
And I cut my little strips and I'm going to glue them over the black.
Alright.
And then I am done. For now.
Perfect.
Then we can start this trivia. I'm so excited.
Is that one of your favorite part of Movies in the Park?
Oh yes, Movies in the Park is awesome. I really enjoy going. I take my kids, in case you haven't been, which I'm sure all of you have, but for you who have not gone and just came across this stream, Movies in the Park is an awesome event to take your kids to. You take a blanket, go out there, sit down, watch a movie. We have water for sale, snacks for sale, and this is where, if you pre-register, you're able to get these crafts and participate with us.
That is super cool. I've never been to Movies in the Park.
What did I see? I seen the Lorax.
Oh, that's super
Yes, it
cool.
was so fun. Everybody, keeps to themselves. It's nice. It's really nice. I enjoy it.
All right, you guys. So I finished my buttons. I'm going to work down to this black circle right here. And we're going to take our ties and we're going to just glue them from the top of the circle to the bottom of the circle, okay?
Like this. And I am done.
You're
I'm going to put this
done?
to the side and wait to be quizzed.
All right. Let me just finish this up.
Take your time. So what's your favorite genre of music?
I like so many genres of music. I like all types of music. I like country, I like rap, I like R&B, I like the oldies, but I think my favorite, at least right now, is I like alternative and indie music a lot. So yeah, so alternative bands are my big thing. I just really, really like the beats a lot. What about you?
I like oldies. I like love songs. I like songs that my kids could sing to with me. So, yeah.
No, I grew up on oldies, so definitely my parents only played like the 80s music.
80s is... I'm older than you. 80s is not oldies, but it's okay. It's okay. 80s is awesome. I love 80s as well. That's good dance music too.
I'm like that. Those
Goodness.
are old songs. All right. So I'm gonna put on my last string, and then what's your favorite song to dance to?
Okay, I don't speak a word of Spanish, but I love Selena. So anything that Selena's on, I just put on, I get out there and just do my little thing.
I
Do the
love
washing
that.
machine. We should so do that in the Movies in the Park.
All right, you guys. And now I'm done. So we're gonna put our guitar to the side and let it dry.
Yes.
Your guitar should look something like this at the end. You should have your buttons, your beads, your ties, glitter, and the painted black circle. Starting with our Trolls World Tour trivia, I'm gonna start with the first question. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let's see.
So, first question. What is the name of the Hard Rock Trolls queen? Is it A, Beth, B, Barb, C, Bev, or D, Deb?
It starts with a B.
It does start with a B. So is it A, Beth, B, Barb, or C, Bev?
Oh my goodness, it's either B or C. B?
It is B for Barb. Good job. All right.
Thank you.
Let's see if you got the next one. So, question number 2. How many different strings of music are there? Is it A, 6 strings, B, 3 strings, C, 1 string, or D, 8 strings?
What was C?
C is 1 string.
Oh, no.
No.
I think the most.
D, 8 strings?
Yes.
That is incorrect.
Oh.
It is 6 strings.
Oh.
A, 6 strings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because keep in mind there was country, there was symphony, there was rock, there was pop, and one more, country.
Oh, okay.
It's alright. Let's try again. So we have number 3. All right. Name another troll group. Classical music
or
is
symphony,
correct.
like you said.
No, it's classical. Symphony is just what it's called. But
Okay.
yes, the classical troll group is correct. Also, if you guess techno, you'd be correct. Country, you would be correct. Hard rock trolls, you would be also correct. And funk trolls. So going into our next question, number 4, what kind of string does Poppy and her trolls have?
I know that one.
Is it A, top string, C, cop string, D, pop string,
Oh,
or C, bop string?
pop string.
What?
Pop.
Pop
Pop.
string? Yes,
Like Poppy.
it is D, pop string. You are correct.
So I'm like, what? 2 for 2 already?
I think you're 2 for 2. No, you're 3 for 4.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you're 3 for 4. Good job.
You're
All right,
cheating.
you guys. Number 5. What color is a pop string? Oh, this one's a good one. Is it A, blue, B, purple, C, rainbow, or D, pink?
Pink, like Poppy.
Yes, correct. So if you guess D out there, for pink, you would be correct. It is pink like Poppy's hair.
Ooh.
All right. So for number 6, what is the name of the guy Diamond's kid? Ooh. All right. Is it A, Little Diamond, B, Tiny Diamond, C, Small Diamond, or D, Mini Diamonds?
Little Diamond.
Little Diamond? A, Little Diamond? Are you sure?
No. Okay,
No.
say it again. Say it
Is
again.
it A, Little Diamond, B, Tiny Diamond, C, Small Diamond, or D, Mini Diamond? I'll give you a hint.
Yes.
It is not Little Diamond.
Oh, okay. Okay. Tiny.
Tiny Diamond is correct. So if you guess B for Tiny Diamond, you would be correct. Question number 7, we have, what is the name of the yodeler that helped Poppy, Branch, and friends escape from jail in the country jail? Is it A, Travis, B, Doc, C, Hickory, or D, Branch?
It's not Branch.
It's not Branch.
Travis or Hickory? Travis or
Which
Hickory?
one?
What sounds more country? Travis or
Hickory.
Hickory.
Hickory is correct. Good job. So if you guess C, Hickory, you would be correct. Going on to question number 8. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What does Poppy put in her ears to block out Queen Barb's music? Is it A, earplugs, B, earrings, C, cotton balls, or D, gumdrops?
Gumdrops. I knew that one.
It is D, gumdrops. You are correct. I'm like, it's not earrings or cotton balls. All right. And number 9, what is Queen Barb's best friend's name? Is it A, Poppy, B, Biggie, C, Carol, or D, her dad?
Oh, that's a good one.
That is a good one.
Oh, it's the troll that
Would you?
eats the cheese. So it's not her dad.
It's not her dad.
One more time.
We have A. Poppy,
No.
B. Biggie,
Okay.
or C. Carol.
It's a girl.
It is
Carol.
a girl.
Carol.
Carol is correct. So it is C for Carol. All right, you guys. And last but not least, our last question. Are you ready for that?
I'm ready.
All right. Number 10. Where does Queen Poppy hide her string? Is it A, in her room, B, in her hair, C, in Branch's bunker, or D, in a treasure chest?
In her hair. My
B,
God.
that was so fast. That was so fast.
I knew that one.
It is definitely B, in her hair. All right, you guys. So that ends our Trolls Trivia. We hope that you got all of them correct. All right, you guys. And now that we're done with trivia, we're going to go back to our craft. It should be dry by now. This is what my guitar looks like.
This is mine.
All right. And of course, this is just an outline. You guys' guitar does not have to look like this. Even mine and Karina's is different. I have 4 buttons. She has 3. You guys can also color it any type of color you want. Take a Sharpie to it. Draw some designs. Anything you guys would like. If you guys would like to join us at our next Movies in the Park, you guys can register at 8pm.activecommunities.com/Colton to join us at our next Movies in the Park. Thank you guys so much for coming, and goodbye.
Bye.
Tune in for the Grinch Craft tutorial and movie trivia on July 1st. We can't wait to see you.